Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to solve this very tricky Math Olympiad problem in which we have to find the value of x and we are given 3 raised to power x equals to x raised to power 9. So now multiply the power by 1 by 9x. So we get 3 raised to power x bracket 1 by 9x equals to x raised to power 9 bracket 1 by 9x. So x to x cancel out, and from right hand side 9 to 9 will get cancel out. So we get 3 raised to power 1 by 9 equals to x raised to power 1 by x. Now multiply the power of 3, that is 1 by 9, with 3 by 3. So we get 3 raised to power 3 by 27 equals to x raised to power 1 by x. Now we know from the law of surds and indices that if a raised to power m by n is can be written as a raised to power m bracket 1 by n equals to a raised to power 1 by n times m. So our equation will become 3 raised to power 3 bracket 1 by 27 equals to x raised to power 1 by x. So this will become 27 raised to power 1 by 27 equals to x raised to power 1 by x. So on comparing, we get x equals to 27. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next.